Hello and welcome back, everybody, to another episode of ToucanPlays. I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial here for my buddy Thunderbolt Gaming. Check out his channel if you get a chance. He's got some great Steel Titans content, and he's got some good Spider-Man content as well. He asked me, though, if I could do a quick tutorial on how to make a playlist of specific videos to add to your channel if you have one. So here is my tutorial. Basically, all you need to do is you go to somebody's channel that you want to make a playlist of their videos. So I'm here on Thunderbolt's channel, and let's say that I want to make a playlist of his Spider-Man playthrough here. Now, he just started Spider-Man Miles Morales, so let's see, we're going to make a new playlist. So I'm going to click on this. This is the three little dots right here. I'm going to go up here and click where it says Save to Playlist. Now, I've got a whole mess of playlists right here, so I'm going to create a new one, and I am going to call it Thunderbolt's Miles Morales Playthrough. And I'm going to make it private, or I'm sorry, public, so that anybody can see this playlist. And I'm going to create it. Now that video has been added to that particular playlist. But let's say I wanted to make another video of Spider-Man. Now, Thunderbolt here, he's only got this one section of uploads. So you can scroll through all of his uploads, or you can click on the video tab here at the top, and then you can see all the videos he's ever uploaded. These are all of his videos. Let's say I wanted to add all of his Spider-Man playthroughs. I'm going to click here. Save to playlist. We're going to create a new playlist again, and I'm going to call this Thunderbolt's Spider-Man Playthrough. And we're also going to make this one public. We're going to create. Now I can go in and I can add all the videos that he has for Spider-Man. Save to playlist. And I have to look for Thunderbolt's playlist. Where is it? All right, here it is. It's at the very top. So it's the first one added, Thunderbolt Spider-Man Playthrough. We're going to click on that, and there we go. It's added to the playthrough. Or added to the playlist. So episode 2, and then we're going to just add all the videos to the playlist. Okay, now I've gone through and I've added all of his Spider-Man, he's got 8 episodes. So I've added all 8 of his Spider-Man playthrough episodes to my playlist. Now, how do I watch them? Off to the left, yours might look a little different because I've got vidIQ installed, vidIQ, something to help creators. But you should have these top ones where it says your channel, playlist, all that other stuff. Click on playlists, and all of your playlists will come up. So this is all of my playlists that I've created on my channel. Now, I create playlists for my content to help anybody who comes onto my channel to help organize what they see. And I make them all public so they can go through my playlists and see my videos. Now I've added Thunderbolt's playlists to my channel. And here is Thunderbolt's Spider-Man Playthrough. And I can click on it. And here is all of his videos, 1 through 8, and they're in descending order. I can change up the order any way that I want. I can move 1 down to underneath episode 5 if I wanted to, and I can loop the playlist so that it'll just kind of keep playing and playing and playing, or I can shuffle the playlist so it'll play in random order. I don't think I want to do that for either one of them. But there it is. There is the playlist. That's how you create one. That's how you view one. Now, if you were to go to somebody else's channel, like say I'm going to go to my channel, ToucanPlays, and then I'm going to click on ToucanPlays. And you can see me talking. I have everything muted so I don't get a copyright strike. But you can click on, there's a tab at the top here. You can click on playlists, and you can see all of my playlists for all of my videos that I've already got here, including Thunderbolt's playlists. They're on there now. So there you go. That's a quick and easy way to do playlists. Anybody can do this as long as you've got a Google account. You can create all the playlists you want. Have fun making. You can make playlists with anybody's content. It doesn't matter. You can do anything from any channel that's out there on YouTube. All right, have fun with playlists, guys.